Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how to make an origami bell that you can use as a Christmas decoration by hanging it on your Christmas tree. Watch until the end and hopefully you'll find it useful. If so, don't forget to give us a like, share or subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. Start with the origami paper white side up and fold in half vertically. Unfold and bring these corners to the middle line. And do the same on the left side. Turn the model over and fold the bottom edge about 1 centimeter. Now turn the model over again and bring the bottom edge up all the way to this line. Turn the model over again and bring the right corner to the center corner. And then the left corner to the center corner. Now fold these two bottom corners in just a little bit. That's it. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. Thank you, see you next time!